Rashi is working with the tables in HTML, but she has forgotten the attribute used to give space between the cells of a table. Suggest her the answer. After creating the table in HTML, she wants to give space between the cells of the table. For that, which attribute she has to use? That is the question. Here answer given. First one, the cell spacing attribute of table tag is used to give space between the cells of the table. So the answer is cell spacing attribute. Next, second question. Rahul wants to specify the height of a row of a table. Which attribute will help him to do so? For that answer, the height attribute of tr tag is used to specify height of the row of a table. Tr means table row. So, height attribute of table row tag is used to specify the height of the row of a table. Next one, activity zone. I hope you all finished the activity zone. And now you check your answer with this screen answer. You see here tr tag, next row span, next align, height, next UL. Okay. And the next one we are going to see lesson 8. You may heard about the word C++, where the C++ is one of the programming language. That is high level programming language. Computer programming is the process. The programming is the process by which an original formulation of a computing problem leads to executable computer programs. You all know what do you mean by program. Program is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a particular task. So for doing this task in computer, you have to write some coding in some language that is known as programming. Here C++, it is a very powerful and widely used object-oriented programming language. It runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS. What do you mean by platform? Operating system. So the C++ you can run on Windows operating system as well. You see answers to your book exercise. First one, multiple choice question. Which attribute is used to put more space around each cell? For giving more space around each cell. Each cell means that is rectangular box in a table. For that the answer is B option, cell spacing. Cell spacing give more space around each cell. Next, second one, what happens when you don't specify border attribute? For that answer, B option, the table will appear without any border. If you are not at all giving the border attribute, the table will appear without any border. Next, third one, which attribute specifies the color of table's border? For specifying the color of the table border, you can give B option, border color. Okay. Fourth one, which attribute of tr tag extends the cell vertically? That is, vertically you want to extend the cell. For that you can give row span. That is C option, row span. Row span will extend the cell vertically. Next, fifth one, which tag is used to display scrolling text on the web page? Scrolling text, you all know, mark your tag. Okay, that's all about the multiple choice question. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, to align the table, dash attribute is used. For aligning the table, align attribute is used. To give background color to the table, dash attribute is used. Background color means BG color. The answer is BG color. Next, dash defines the space between the cell border and the cell content. Cell border and cell content means cell padding. Around the cell means cell spacing. So here the third one answer, cell padding. Next, a table's border is specified through dash attribute. Table's border means, in the question itself we are having the answer border only the answer. Next, dash attribute is used with the TR tag. TR means table row. And it extends the cell horizontally. For horizontally extension, we can give call span. Is it clear? Okay. Now, we pass on to the true or false. True or false? First one, HTML is a case-sensitive language. False. Next, HTML is a platform-dependent language. That's also false. Next, table tag is a container tag. Answer, true. Fourth one, cell padding is an attribute of TD tag. Answer is false. Fifth one, an added list is created using OL tag. That is true. OL, ordered list. Okay. Next, match the following. For that, first one, cell padding. For the cell padding, column B, C, answer, space between the table data and cell border space. Next, second one, border color attribute. For that answer, D, that is specify table's border color. Third one, row span and call span attributes. The answer, A, the attribute of TR and TD tags. Fourth one, align attribute of table tag. The answer is E, to align the table. Next, V align attribute. V align attribute align the cell content vertically. That is fifth one, answer B, align the cell contents vertically. Fourth one, answer E, to align the table. Okay. Now we see answer the following. First question, which tag is used to insert an ordered and unordered list? You all know for ordered list OL tag and for unordered list UL tag. That is the answer given here. OL tag is for ordered list and UL tag for unordered list. Only one sentence answer. Next, second question, explain the attributes of both TR and TD tags. TR means table row, TD means table data. First one, the various attributes of TR and TD tags are border color. It specifies the border color of rows and columns. Second one, BG color. It specifies the background color of rows and columns. Third one, height. It specifies the height of the rows. Align. It specifies the alignment of the cell content horizontally. V align. It specifies the alignment of the cell contents vertically. Ordinary align means horizontal alignment. V align means vertical alignment. Okay. Now, the third question, write the use of align attribute of table tag. The align attribute of table tag is used to determine the position of the table with respect to web browser's window span. Web browser, what do you mean by web browser? Internet Explorer, Google, Google Chrome, these are all the web browsers. And according to the web browser's window span, the align attribute is used to determine the position of the table. Okay. Now, fourth one, write the difference between cell padding and cell spacing. Already I explained you in the one words. Cell padding is used to add more space inside each cell. That is, it defines the space between the cell border and the cell contents. Next, cell spacing is used to put more space around each cell. It defines the space between the cells. Okay. Now we see the fifth question. Write the use of border color attribute of table tag. The answer, the border color attribute is used to specify the color of the table's border. This attribute is defined in the table tag. Okay. Now, application based question.